Mm. Hello everyone, good morning and welcome to my channel. So we are going to fry some dumpling for breakfast. And in this bowl, a 1.5 cups all-purpose flour, sifted, because when I sift the flour, the flour becomes light, much lighter, and so you know the dumplings eat better. And to the flour, baking powder will be adding how much? At 1 teaspoon.
No, less than 1 teaspoon.
Less than 1 teaspoon, huh?
Yeah, 3/4.
Okay. 3/4 teaspoon baking powder to 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, and then around half teaspoon of salt. Now, if you want, you can use self-rising flour, and there's no need to add baking powder to it, because the baking powder is what causes a lot of people to mess up the flour. They either use too much or too little. So if you want, you can use the self-rising flour where you don't have to use baking powder. But we don't like self-rising flour. We rather to use the all-purpose flour and then to add the baking powder. So you're gonna use some water and mix the flour into a dough. So you add the water a little at a time. So now gonna cover the dough and let it rest. As we say in Jamaica, when you allow the dough to rest, then you get some nicer eating dumplings. So these are the fried dumplings. As you can see, you can shape it like this as well as like this. It is much easier to fry when it is like this. Soft and nice. Well soaked. So this is for breakfast. So this is my breakfast. And as you can see, the dumplings are not oily because they weren't fried in a lot of oil. So this is leftover brown stew fish. And fried plantain. Breakfast.